how to loop videos in YouTube. So from within YouTube on a video for myself, I'm going to be using Roblox death sound effect, the oof, as you like to say. So I'll go ahead and play the video here so you can see what it looks like without a loop. I also have autoplay turned off here. So then at the end of the video, it then goes to my recommended videos that I should watch next. So what I want to do is loop it so it just keeps playing the sound effect over and over again. So what I'll go ahead and do is just replay real quick, pause it, go back to the beginning, right click over the video, and then from the sub menu, go ahead and click on the loop option. And you notice quickly, as soon as I did that, there's a little check mark that appeared next to the loop option within the sub menu. So that way I know that it's now looping. So I'll go ahead and play the video now, and you should notice that it will loop over and over again. Yep, as you can see here, is now looping the oof sound effect over and over again. So that is how you loop videos within YouTube.